my neighbor saw me there. I called my wife. She was in Texas, and I told her goodbye. And I said, I got a real problem here. I need you to pray for me. And then I hung up the phone, and my neighbor saw me, and she said, Garrett, get out of there, ram the gate with your car. And I couldn't because it would have jammed the gate against the road. So she suggested I call 911. And I thought, yeah, good idea. I'll get the fire department to push the gate from the outside. 911 showed up 6 days later. And I think the point is, in a fire like this, you can't count on anybody. You're on your own. And when the man says, get your hat, you ought to get your hat. And it's really funny. I've talked to several people since the fire about what they took, what you grab, what's important. And I'm here to tell you, they took some of the silliest things, things you wouldn't, you think they'd think it through in advance, but nobody does. So I got out of there.